How to delete YouTube channel permanently. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can permanently delete your YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see right now, I am using PC and let me go to youtube.com. Deleting your YouTube channel will remove all of your data such as playlists, uploads, history, and saved videos. But if you wanna really delete your YouTube account, here let me show you. First thing is you can go to the top right corner and then click onto your profile. And then here you can see the YouTube Studio. You can click this. Once you're here, you can click the continue. And then to delete your YouTube account is to go to settings at the bottom left corner. And then here go to the channel tab. Advanced settings. And then scroll down until you see these two right here. As you can see, we have the manage YouTube account and remove YouTube content. This will delete all of your uploads and this one will delete your account. You can click this. Once you're here, you can click the view advanced settings. And we have here the delete channel button. You can click this if you want to delete your YouTube channel or YouTube account. And of course, I won't delete my YouTube channel. This is just for video purposes. So yes, that's how to delete YouTube channel permanently.
I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon on the next video.